respected our godfather, our first principal, Sri Rajgopalan sir, respected our another godfather, Mr. Jain Sharma sir, and the most respected, our Gauri madam, my dear colleagues, and my dearest students. Happy New Year to all. First of all, I would like to convey my apologies for not attending yesterday because my mother is not well and she has been hospitalized yesterday. So since morning I am worrying how to attend this function. So somehow I came here, and at first I want to congratulate Mr. Krishnam Raju and his team for organizing such a wonderful union here. And in this connection, I want to first, I started my career here as a teacher. I joined in 1987. That time, Mr. S.P. Singh sir was our first principal. He was for 6 months or 8 months he was here. And then we were under the guidance of our Rajgopalan sir. And now still I remember, once I went to class without taking my chalk and duster. This first year class only. And staff room was here only because we had staff room there. But he made this as staff room to be close to the children. So I just went into first year. He was standing. You can look at him now also, how majestic he is. And he was standing there like this, just. And he was observing me without chalk and duster. Just I was teaching in the class. Now I was feeling ashamed really, not having the chalk and duster. He called me out. I was very young, just 22 completed, 22, 23 years. He called me, Anuradha, come out. What are you? Are you a student? No, sir. We were very much afraid, really, I am telling you. But sir, now also of course, but with great respect only. Then he called me, he asked me, like how we ask small kids, where is your pencil? He asked me, where is your chalk? I was shocked, shivering like anything. Where is your duster? He asked just like this only. No sir, I don't have. Go and get it. I went and got both of them. Till now, I never forget duster and chalk in my life. It will be always in my bag. So, that is the inspiration given by our godfather. So, really, I am very grateful to you. And under the guidance of so many principals, we worked. This is the mother school, my mother school. And really, now, I am in tears because I love this school in 2005. And that day, I was completely dead to see. After that, to coop up, I took nearly about 2 to 3 years. Now again I came late to Visakhapatnam, but again I want to come to this school only because I love this school and my children also got educated in this school only. And I love all my children, all my students, those who all have they're shining like anything. And even now in their spaces, though they are very much grown up and have flourished very well in their life, still I see the small, the tiny faces. वो मासूमियत जो होता है ना, that I can see now also children in your faces. Don't think that you are grown ups. You are still like how a mother looks, that tenderness in her own children. The same thing we are seeing in you. And in this occasion, I want to tell children something, that children, please fight for peace. Please fight for peace. And always remember that your mother school is KVNAD, and don't forget the primary teachers, please. Please, We are primary teachers, but please don't forget us. Okay, children. Thank you. And in this connection, I want to sing a small song. This everybody knows only. Please give me. గానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది, ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది. थोड़ा फास्ट. మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది, ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది. అపజయాలు కలిగిన చోటే గెలుపు పిలుపు వినిపిస్తుంది, ఆకులన్నీ రాలిన చోటే కొత్త చిగురు కనిపిస్తుంది. మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది, ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది. దూరమెంత ఉందని దిగులు పడకు నేస్తమా, దరికి చేరు దారులు కూడా ఉన్నాయిగా. భారమెంత ఉందని బాధపడకు నేస్తమా, బాధ వెంట నవ్వుల పంట ఉంటుందిగా. సాగర మథనం మొదలవగానే విషమే వచ్చింది, విసుగే చందక కృషి చేస్తేనే అమృతమిచ్చింది. అవరోధాల దీవుల్లో ఆనంద నిధి ఉన్నది, కష్టాల వారధి దాటిన వారికి సొంతమవుతుంది. తెలుసుకుంటే సత్యమిది, తలచుకుంటే సాధ్యమిది. మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది, ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది. చెమట నీరు చింతగా నుదుటి రాత మార్చుకో, మార్చలేనిదేదీ లేదని గుర్తుంచుకో. పిడికిలే బిగించగా చేతి గీత మార్చుకో, మారిపోని కథలే లేవని గమనించుకో. తోచినట్టుగా అందరి రాతను బ్రహ్మే రాస్తాడు, నచ్చినట్టుగా నీ తల రాతని నువ్వే రాయాలి. నీ ధైర్యాన్ని దర్శించి దైవాలే తలదించగా, నీ అడుగుల్లో గుడి కట్టి స్వర్గాలే తరించగా, నీ సంకల్పానికి ఆ విధి సైతం చేతులెత్తాలి. అంతులేని చరితలకి ఆది నువ్వు కావాలి. మౌనంగానే ఎదగమని మొక్క నీకు చెబుతుంది, ఎదిగిన కొద్దీ ఒదగమని అర్థమందులో ఉంది, అర్థమందులో ఉంది, అర్థమందులో ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.